what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always, and I do mean always, do your own research. All right, you guys. So right now there are projects taking a dip. Good quality projects like Tombstone, they're back to 13.5. Degen Dojo, I know they're back to like what, 9.7, I think. Yeah, 9.75. They're back down to that price. Astros as well, they're back down to 13.99. I'm still bullish on those projects. I think it would be a good idea to buy one of those projects right now. I do see potential in those projects, but there is one project, you guys, in particular, which keeps on mooning, and we all know what it is. It sets on qick. Why? Because right now they are airdropping milk, and we don't know yet what the milk is going to be for you guys, but this is what's bringing up the price even more just because of that huge news. I'm not lying to you guys. I think like 12 hours ago, it was at like 55, the floor price 58. And it's crazy. This project keeps mooning, you guys. The milk, I actually read something from shout out to can.sol. What he posted about the sets. He thinks the milk's going to be used for some set enlightenment. So that's pretty dope, you guys. Pretty much like Dead Gods on Acid. I've been calling this project since 20 floor price. I've been calling it since the beginning. Go ahead, check that out on my Discord where I do plays as well. And then as well, OK Bears finally came out with a release date, which is going to be April 26th, you guys. I see this project, already been saying it. I see it mooning the first day. Try to get in secondary real fast. I know it's going to take a dip as well. You're going to see those paper hands selling so much in the beginning as well. So I think it is good for a secondary play. All right, so we have DYOR nerds. So do your own research, nerds. All right, let's hop in their Twitter here. So they have around 27.5K followers. They're minting April 25th for a price of 1.5 SOL. Let's hop onto their Discord here. So let's hop into the Discord first. So what DYOR nerds is, it's actually it's going to be tools. They're going to be using tools, you guys, as you see here. So what those tools are, they're going to try to make it easier for projects and people to enjoy the whitelisting process. More often, people go into a project's Discord server, as we all know it. They grind whitelist, but once they receive whitelist, most of the time, those people just leave until the time of launch. So what this project is trying to do, they're trying to change that, you guys. And as well, let me show you the art. The art is unique. I love it myself. I love it, love it, love it. Look at this. Super dope, you guys. Part of their roadmap here, you see, they're going to have 2,000 SOL dedicated to the project to start. So some things they do not mention here in the roadmap. So some of their tools are going to be Twitter whitelist authentication from scraping retweets, likes, and comments to grow via organic engagement from Twitter users, Twitter giveaway tools as well for easy giveaway tracking and data collection. They're going to do a whitelist bot protection like reCAPTCHA as well, time-locked whitelist opening and closing, and mass role add Discord bot for easy bulk role management inside of Discord. So they're coming up with all kinds of tools, and in the roadmap, besides the tools, they're going to come out with staking. And we see here, I already mentioned the 2,000 SOL is going to be dedicated to the project to start. So 1,000 of it's going to be injected into the liquidity pool. The vault's going to be launched, you guys. And 500 SOL will be to start. Will be allocated to Nerd Tools development right after mint to expand the development team. So this project looks good, you guys. The art, I love it myself. The tools, that is one great idea they have as well. The Twitter verification service will also launch in beta before the mint. I haven't seen if it's launched yet. This will be the first demo tool in the suite of tools they're going to be building for the Solana space. And I'm always bullish on when it comes to NFTs that have tools and bots. I'm always bullish on those. Sometimes they don't moon, but they are really useful, you guys. So check this project out. Second project I have for you guys. Let's go here. It is the Skullies. So about them, they're going to try to evolve the Solana's ecosystem as a whole, bring higher standards to NFTs, tokenomics, the metaverse, and more. So their focus is going to be on the metaverse. You see here the roadmap simple. They're coming out with the DAO, staking merchandise, and metaverse. So this is another project I'll keep my eye on because it is coming out April 27. The thing is as well, let's go here on their Discord. Their price, look at that price, 1 SOL 0.75. So even if you're looking for a flip, you guys, this could be the play because this is also coming out on the 27th. Let me show you some sneak peeks. This is coming out on the 27th, a day after OK Bears, and there might not be any projects minting that day as big as this one. So I see this as a potential flip. I wouldn't know if it'll be a long-term hold. You guys just do your own research on that. This is one project to look at the day after OK Bears releases. And unfortunately, DYO Nerds releases a day before OK Bears comes out. So I'm not sure if people are going to buy into it right away. Maybe some people are saving liquidity for OK Bears, but we'll see what happens. But that's all for me today, you guys. Go ahead as well. Let me give you guys a tip as well before I end this video. So if you guys are looking for plays sometimes or trying to make a whitelist token plays, what I do sometimes to see what's going on in the market, I always go on sales history and Famous Fox. I check what's going on, like on sets on Craig. This is what's selling number 1 right now. Genopet as well. Metabird's whitelist, so it's selling for 0.02. Not really bullish on that project. Remnants female whitelist, oh, that's something to look at right there. Cyber whitelist 0.39. So always look at famousfoxes.com. If you're not sure, I can't make a video on every project that's coming out, but if you're not sure what project to look out, famousfoxes.com really helps you looking at what's going on, what tokens are selling, what whitelist tokens are selling, and you can look at the price on them as well. Usually the price is real low. They're not, in my opinion, I'm not bullish on them, but check that out, you guys. That's all for me. Go ahead and subscribe, and Professor NFT is out.